Welcome back to the Bullion and beyond. This tiny coin could be hiding a massive secret. A simple €2 coin from 1999 France. At first glance it looks ordinary. But what if I told you some collectors believe this coin could be worth hundreds of millions of dollars? Yes, you heard that right. Today we are diving deep into one of the most mysterious and talked about coins in the collector world. The 1999 France €2 coin. Let us start with the basics. The €2 coin was part of the very first euro currency release. The year 1999 marks a historic moment. This was when the euro was introduced as a financial system across Europe. France produced millions of these coins. But not all coins are equal. Some carry rare features. Some have minting errors. Some were produced in extremely limited batches. And that is where the story becomes interesting. The 1999 France €2 coin features a simple yet symbolic design. On one side you see a globe. This represents European unity and global connection. Around it are stars symbolizing the European Union. On the other side you find the denomination clearly marked €0.2. Simple design, but powerful meaning. Now here is where collectors start paying attention. Certain 1999 coins were struck during early testing phases. These coins sometimes show slight variations. Differences in alignment. Differences in metal composition. Differences in engraving sharpness. To an average person these details mean nothing. But to a serious collector these differences can mean everything. There are rumors in the coin community. Stories about ultra-rare variants of this coin. Coins that were never meant to enter circulation. Coins that somehow slipped through the system. These rare pieces are believed to have unique characteristics. Some may have double strikes. Some may have off-center designs. Some may even have experimental metal blends. Now let us talk about the shocking value claim. A number like $682,900,300 sounds unbelievable. And honestly, for a standard coin it is. But in the world of collectibles, value is driven by rarity, demand, and story. If a coin is one of a kind. If it has historical significance. If collectors compete to own it. Then the price can skyrocket beyond imagination. We have seen it happen before. Coins selling for millions. Even tens of millions. So could this €2 coin reach such extreme value? In most cases the answer is no. A regular 1999 France €2 coin is worth only a few cents, but if you find a rare variant, a mint error, or a limited production piece in perfect condition, then its value can increase dramatically. Condition plays a huge role. A coin in mint condition with no scratches, no wear, no damage, can be worth significantly more than a circulated one. Collectors use grading systems. They examine every detail under magnification. They look at shine, texture, edges, and design clarity. Now here is something important. Many viral claims online exaggerate coin values. They use large numbers to attract attention. And while some coins truly are valuable, not every coin will make you rich. So what should you do if you have this coin? First, do not rush to sell it. Take a closer look. Examine it carefully. Look for unusual features. Check the edges. Observe the design alignment. Second, consider getting it evaluated by a professional. Coin experts can tell you if your coin has special characteristics. Third, store it properly. Keep it in a protective holder. Avoid touching it too much, because even small damage can reduce its value. Now let us talk about why people love collecting coins like this. Coins are more than money. They are history you can hold in your hand. Each coin tells a story. A story of a country. A story of a time period. A story of art and craftsmanship. The 1999 France €2 coin represents the beginning of a new era in Europe. It marks the birth of a unified currency system. And that alone makes it special. So even if your coin is not worth millions, it still holds historical value. It still connects you to a major moment in world history. And who knows? Maybe hidden in your collection is a rare gem. A coin that stands out from the rest. A coin that could surprise you. That is the excitement of coin collecting. The thrill of discovery. The possibility that something small could become something extraordinary. If you enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins, make sure to subscribe to Bullion and Beyond. Because we bring you hidden treasures, rare finds, and the stories behind the world's most fascinating coins. Keep searching. Keep collecting. And remember, sometimes the smallest coin can hold the biggest secret.